G'day, this is a Chicken Caravan 10, the cutest movable chicken coop in the world, but yet it's very functional. It's full of automation. As you can see up the top here, there's a solar panel. This solar panel powers an automated door, a nesting box gate, a light, and also a fan under here, which basically helps to draw out that warm air when the days heat up and it kicks in on a thermostat. So let's talk about the automatic door. So it's designed to open up in the morning, let your birds out, do what your birds do best, and close up in the evening. But it also has a soft close function. So if there's a bird just sitting there right on the edge, it will start to close and it'll give it a little nudge, sense that there's something there, then back off, then try and give it a little nudge until it eventually closes and your bird ends up in. The nesting box gate. So this is important to keep your eggs clean. So what happens if you don't have a nesting box gate, your birds go in there to roost at night, they hop into the nest, they then poop in the nest, and then you'll find you've got dirty eggs the next day. With a nesting box gate, it closes the nest off so they can't get in there in the afternoon, which means they can't roost in there at night, and it opens up in the morning. This is the inside of the Chicken Caravan 10. The birds lay in behind this flap here. That's where they lay their eggs and they roll to the back. And these two perches is where they roost at night. The floor is, well, it has 2 layers of mesh on it, as you can see there. And this is to help prevent a fox trying to pull a bird through the floor if they happen to be standing on the floor. But the mesh is also designed to allow manure to fall through onto the ground. The chassis down here is hot dip galvanised, which is important because chicken manure is very corrosive. So you want to have it hot dip galvanised for longevity. Up the front here, we've got a jockey wheel, which allows you to level the caravan if it's parked on uneven ground. There's also a drinking container here, which has a special little drinker fitted here and allows for clean water to come out. You've got a 50mm tow ball, which you can hook up to a vehicle, like if you've got a quad bike or a lawnmower. So it's just designed to be towed slowly down your paddock, or you can move it by hand with this handle that sits there. I'm just going to spin around and show you the other side. So you've got 2 covers here, and these are designed to be opened up in summer to allow a bit of extra airflow in where your birds are, then closed up at winter just to keep your birds warmer. This is your feeder fill point. So feed goes in the top here, it comes out the bottom where the birds eat from the feeder, but there's also a special cover on that feeder. So as your bird door opens in the morning, it actually opens up the feed cover, and as it closes in the evening, it closes the feed cover, which helps to keep rodents out of your feed. Round the back here, we've got a door that you open, which gives you access to where you collect your eggs from. Now this is a rollaway nest, so the eggs roll down here. You collect your eggs from this point, and this has a special matting that's designed for birds and designed to allow the eggs to roll away. In here we've got our control box, which controls all the automation, and we've also got our batteries. This is a Chicken Caravan 10.